Hello students, we are going to discuss about humidification problems. Fourth problem, a mixture of acetone vapor and nitrogen contains 14.8% acetone by volume. Calculate the following at 293 Kelvin and a pressure of 99.33 kilopascal. First division, partial pressure of acetone, that is Pa. Second division, moles of acetone per moles of nitrogen, that is equal to mole on humidity, HEM. Third division, relative saturation of mixture at 293 Kelvin. So this is percentage or H. So last division, percentage saturation of mixture at 293 Kelvin. Are you clear or not? Okay. So these are the objectives of our problem. Data are given. Vapor pressure of acetone at 293 Kelvin is equal to 24.638 kilopascal. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the first, read the problem carefully. Identify the system. Which one is a vapor? Which one is a gas? So here acetone is a vapor, nitrogen is a gas. So that's why our system acetone nitrogen system. Acetone is a component A, nitrogen is a component B. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here data are given. 14.8% acetone by volume. So students, keep in our mind, mole percentage is equal to volume percentage is equal to pressure percentage. So here temperatures are given 293 Kelvin. So this temperature is called dBT. Why? Because no saturation terms are there. This temperature is a ordinary temperature. That's why we will take 293 Kelvin is equal to dBT. Pressure is a total pressure. Capital P is equal to 99.33 kilopascal. Are you clear or not? Okay. So objective of this problem, the first question capital Pa, second question HEM, third question percentage or H, fourth question percentage saturation. So what is this data at dBT? These values are capital PS. Capital PS is equal to vapor pressure. Students, keep in our mind. So at dBT, the pressure values are vapor pressure. So that's why capital PS is equal to 24.638 kilopascal. Basis of this problem, nitrogen acetone vapor. This is a system. Given data, volume percentage of acetone is given 14.8, that is equal to mole percentage. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the capital P 99.33 kilopascal. PS is given. Why? Because that pressure is given at dBT. That's why we will take PS is equal to 24.638 kilopascal. Solution of this problem. The first division. So partial pressure value. So how will we calculate the partial pressure? We have only one data, volume percentage of acetone 14.8. So already I said volume percentage is equal to mole percentage. So this percentage directly taken as mole percentage. So here percentages are directly taken as kilomole. So number of moles of acetone is equal to 14.8 kilomole. What is the another component? Nitrogen. So the how will we calculate nitrogen component percentage? So the 14.8% acetone is present mean total percentages are 100. 100 minus 14.8, that is equal to 85.2 percentages are nitrogen is present. So the percentages are directly taken as kilomole. That's why number of moles of nitrogen is equal to 85.2 kilomole. Are you clear or not? Okay. So what about the total kilomole? N is equal to 100 kilomole. Are you clear? 14.8 plus 85.2, that is equal to 100 kilomole. So now we are going to calculate mole fraction of acetone. So what is the formula? Individual moles of acetone divided by total moles. Individual moles of acetone 14.8, total moles is equal to 100. Finally we get mole fraction of acetone is equal to 0.148. The question is, so the partial pressure of acetone. So what is the relation partial pressure and total pressure? Partial pressure is equal to mole fraction into total pressure. So here partial pressure PA, mole fraction X, total pressure P. So PA of acetone is equal to X of acetone into P. So we want partial pressure of acetone. We have mole fraction of acetone and total pressure. Substitute here. Find out the answer. Partial pressure of acetone 14.7 kilopascal. Second division, moles of acetone per moles of nitrogen. So here that is equal to molar chemistry. Already we have number of moles of acetone, number of moles of nitrogen. Substitute here. Find out the answer. Finally we get HM is equal to 0.1737. The unit of molar chemistry, kilomole of acetone per kilomole of nitrogen. Acetone is a component, nitrogen is a B component. So the third division, percentage relative saturation. Percentage relative saturation, another name is percentage RH. Percentage RH formula PA by PS into 100. PA is the calculated value, PS is the given data. Substitute here, multiply by 100. Finally we get percentage RH is equal to 59.66. Next one, percentage saturation. Percentage saturation calculated from two ways. One is from absolute chemistry, another one from absolute molar chemistry. You will take any one way. You are going to calculate the percentage saturation. Here I will consider the percentage saturation is equal to HM is divided by HMS into 100. HMS is nothing but molar chemistry at saturation. So HM is already calculated value. Already you know the concept. Volume percentage is equal to pressure percentage is equal to mole percentage. Here saturation means pressure percentage of acetone is equal to PS by P into 100. Why madam you are not taking the PA? Why? Because this is a saturation. So that's why we will consider only the PS value. So the PS by P into 100. PS is already given data. P also given data. Divided by these two values. Multiply by 100. Pressure percentage of acetone is equal to 24.80. You know the concept. Pressure percentage is equal to mole percentage. That's why that value directly taken as mole percentage of acetone 24.80. Which one is the another component? Nitrogen. How will you calculate mole percentage of nitrogen? So total percentage 100. One component is 24.80 means another component 100 minus 24.80 is equal to 75.2. This is the mole percentage of nitrogen. So the mole percentage directly taken as kilomole. That's why N of acetone is equal to 24.80 kilomole. N of nitrogen is equal to 75.2 kilomole. Total moles is equal to 100 kilomole. 24.80 plus 75.2, that is equal to 100 kilomole. So the number of moles notation small m. So here we are going to calculate HMS. HMS is equal to number of moles of acetone divided by number of moles of nitrogen, that is equal to 24.80 divided by 75.2. So the substitute here, finally we get HMS is equal to 0.329. Unit of HMS kilomole of acetone per kilomole of nitrogen. Why? Because acetone is a component, nitrogen is a B component. This is the molar chemistry. So this is in terms of mole basis. Now come to the point, percentage saturation. We have HM and HMS value. Substitute here, multiply by 100. Finally we get percentage saturation is equal to 52.67. So thank you for your attention.